Okay, this week, guys, you're going to be doing the SolidProfessor. It's a short unit on skills reviews. You're going to go through and watch every one of these videos. While you're watching them, some of them are going to require you to actually open up some files and work along with them. I'm going to check your folder to see that you've edited the sample files, so that you can go download all the files here for the whole thing, but I've also created a shared folder. So either way, you could download this list and use it that way, or I'm going to show you another way to get the files. So quickly, you've got your local folder, hopefully, that you're keeping all your work in. You've got your Google Drive that you've shared with me, but if you'll notice that I've also shared a folder with you called Engineering Resources. In that folder, I gave you the templates you needed to get started on dimensioning your final project. I've recently added another folder. If you right click, you should be able to download this folder. Oops, where am I? Here we go. So I'm going to download that folder. Once that folder downloads, you're just going to take that folder, copy it right into your local drive, open it up, and you're going to need to extract it. So you're going to right click and hit extract here, and this is the folder that contains all of your lessons for week 6. We're going to go through the CSWA review. So if you take a look in here, there are 6 folders. This one doesn't have anything in it. That's the first lesson, no big deal. This one goes through some different feature conditions. If you take a look at this, this one you don't really have to open up the parts to make changes. This one I definitely want you to follow along. So I want you to go ahead and open up this assembly and then follow along with the lesson. Just to give you a quick preview of what I'm talking about here, I'm going to open up SolidWorks, and then I'm going to jump right into SolidProfessor and show you what I mean. So in SolidProfessor, there's a lesson on commonly used mates. If you take a look at this lesson, they're going to walk you through doing some different basic assembling. Most of the stuff you guys are really good at, but just want to have you get an understanding of that. So if we take a look here, it's going to take you through some of these. All right, so you're gonna follow along that video, and if you have 2 monitors, that's great. If you don't, you're going to have to do that with your school laptop or some other device. So here's what it looks like uncompleted. The video is going to take you through putting these parts together, doing some basic mates. What I'm going to look for is I'm going to look in your folder and see that you've put it together and you've followed the lesson. These lessons should take you maybe an hour, the whole thing. All right.